Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the joysticks in your PlayStation 5 controller with magnetic joysticks. Let's dive right in. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. Start by turning off your PS5 controller completely. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws located at the back of the controller. These screws are typically located near the L2 and R2 buttons. Once these are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry apart the controller casing. Be careful to avoid damaging any clips as you work your way around the edges. Once open, you'll notice the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect for any dust or debris inside. It's crucial to keep this area clean to ensure optimal performance. If you find any dirt, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean it out. Remember, maintaining cleanliness can enhance the longevity of your device. Now, focus on the joystick modules. You will see that they are secured with small screws. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you encounter any resistance, ensure that no additional screws are hidden under stickers or labels. Once unscrewed, gently lift the joystick module from its housing. This step requires a bit of finesse, so take your time. With the old joysticks removed, it's time to install the new magnetic joysticks. Position them carefully in the same orientation as the originals and press down gently until they fit snugly. Resecure them with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools or feel this task is beyond your skill level, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's reassemble the controller. Before closing it up, double-check that all components are seated correctly. If everything looks good, carefully snap the casing back together, ensuring that the clips align properly. Finally, reinsert the screws at the back of the controller. If you find that your controller isn't functioning as expected after this upgrade, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means no calls, no travel, and you can continue to enjoy your gaming without interruptions. You can also get a quote before any repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Once your controller is reassembled, turn it on and test the new joysticks. Make sure they are responding correctly and smoothly. This enhancement should provide you with a better gaming experience, offering improved sensitivity and control. In summary, replacing your PS5 controller's joysticks with magnetic ones is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your gaming performance. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.